You can earn money on the GrabPoints website by answering surveys, watching videos, downloading, and playing apps or games. Additionally, the money you earn on this website can be easily withdrawn through payment methods like PayPal. Don't worry about whether this website is legitimate. The ratings of GrabPoints on the Trustpilot website are very high, so there's no need to fear. Now, let's see how to earn money on the GrabPoints website. Click the link in the description to go directly to the GrabPoints website. Sign up easily using your Gmail ID. Once you sign up, you'll see this page. On this page, select All and click Continue. Next, keep clicking Next until the process is completed. Finally, click Start Earning Now. At this point, you'll be shown some tasks. You can complete these tasks immediately or later as per your convenience. For now, I'll click Take Me to the homepage and skip the tasks for the moment. Okay, now we've arrived at the GrabPoints homepage. Here, you'll find a variety of tasks. By completing these tasks, you will earn points. These points are crucial because they can be converted into dollars and withdrawn. For example, 1,000 points equals $1. Now let's see how to complete tasks and earn points on this website. The first important step after accessing the website is to click on the hamburger icon on the right side and update your profile. Providing accurate information ensures that the website can assign you the right surveys and tasks. So don't forget to fill out your profile. Okay, now let's look at the tasks available on this website. If you click on the Surveys tab, you'll find many surveys. Click on any survey, complete it, and earn points. Next is the Offers tab. In this section, you'll find many game-related tasks. Completing these tasks can earn you a significant amount of money. If you're wondering whether this is real, it is. Let me explain. When you click on any game here, it will clearly show the device you need to use to play the game and the levels you need to complete to earn a specific amount of GrabPoints. Once you fulfill the specified requirements, the mentioned GrabPoints will be credited to your account. Now, let's see how to properly install the game. Clicking the Earn icon will take you to a page. On this page, you'll find a link to the game associated with your GrabPoints ID. Use the device you plan to play the game on to open this link, install the game, and start playing. Okay, after completing these tasks and earning GrabPoints, let's see how to convert these points into dollars and withdraw them. Click on the Rewards tab. Here, you'll find various options to withdraw your points. Choose any of these options and withdraw your money. The minimum withdrawal limit on the GrabPoints website is 3,000 points, which equals $3. Once you reach this minimum withdrawal limit, enter your payment information and withdraw your earnings. Okay, friends, these are the ways to earn money on the GrabPoints website. You can earn a decent amount from this website, but it requires you to spend some of your time. Thank you.